Well, right now, the jury has been deliberating for maybe the past 16 minutes the fate of disbarred attorney Alec Murdaugh.
A 12-person jury is determining whether Murdaugh killed his wife and son at the family's hunting estate in June of 2021. The trial, now in its 6th week, has seen hours of testimony from dozens of witnesses. Our Taggart Houck has been following this from the very beginning, and he is joining us live outside of the courthouse there in Colleton County this afternoon. Tag, an interesting start to the day.
Yeah, sure was. You know, deliberations have been underway now for about a half hour, but the day began with the news that there was going to have to be a juror that was going to need to be replaced for allegedly discussing the case with two people outside of the trial. That move was made. There was a replacement there for that juror. And then we got into the defense's closing arguments in this case. Jim Griffin was the one who made those on behalf of the defense today. He challenged the integrity of SLED's investigation and said from day one, Murdaugh was the prime suspect here. One example, he said, Murdaugh's shirt was tested for DNA the night of the murders, but not Maggie and Paul's. And he referenced the dog kennel video, placing Murdaugh at the scene minutes before Maggie and Paul were killed.
Probably wouldn't be sitting over there right now. He had not lied. But he did lie. And he told you he lied. And he told you why he lied. He said he lied because, I tell you, he lied because that's what addicts do. Addicts lie. He lied because he had a closet full of skeletons, that he didn't want any more scrutiny on him.
Prosecutor John Metters gave the response to the defense's arguments. He called this a common sense case and asked simply, why would Alec lie? More than that, he pointed to Alec's own admission that he lied during the course of the investigation.
How can you believe them on the ultimate issue when they said they didn't, when the only thing they corroborated for you throughout the investigation, throughout this trial, and throughout Mr. Waters' cross-examination is he's a liar? And that's all you can judge people on.
And as we mentioned, deliberations have been underway for about 30 minutes now. We're continuing to monitor that. We'll continue to bring you what we're seeing here in the next hour. For now in Colleton County, Taggart Houck, WYFF News 4.